Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to clear your TikTok search history. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right to open the settings menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Activity Center under the Content and Display section. Now find Search History. Here you will see all the searches you've made in the app. You can delete individual searches by tapping the Select button, checking the entries you want to remove, and pressing Delete at the bottom. If you want to clear everything at once, tap Select All Search History, and then press Delete All. This way, all your searches will be erased. And that's it. Now you know how to clear your TikTok search history.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.